iReader is expanding their lineup even more and continuing the legacy of the Ocean line of devices. In terms of hardware, it's 300 ppi, it is 7 inches, and it does have warm light and cool light. Let's check out the Ocean 3 right here. This is a review sample of the 32GB. It's a 2023 release, so it is all opened here for us, but should have plastic on it. You have some nice foam insert right there, and we'll put the e-reader off to the side for now. We'll explore the rest of the box. It's got this little lift strip ribbon, and just letting you guys know now that iReader is fully in English. All of their devices, the Smart Air, the Smart 3, all of them, the XS Pro, you name it. You have some information there. Chinese companies love QR codes. QR code, QR code, QR code, QR code on the box. Lots of QR codes. Hold on to this. It's got your QC pass on there, quality inspection, all that fun stuff. I don't think there's anything in here. And no, this is not note-taking. This is not the XS or the XS Pro. There's no note-taking on there. Let us see what kind of USB cable we have. We have a regular USB-C. That is everything that comes in the box. Put that off to the side. Let's look at the reader. And yes, guys, this is an ebook reader. It's not trying to be anything that it's not. It's not trying to be a Android hyper tablet. This one is an ebook reader, and yes, it looks exactly like the Oasis with the hump right there. They did get rid of the pogo pins there, though, and I don't believe they've been relocated. No, they have not. So the peripheral, for whatever cases and add-ons they had, is now gone. The back has a very Kindle-esque feel with that kind of low-pile rubber. It's very nice. You get a speaker on the bottom, or I guess side, depending on which orientation. This way looks more portrait. This way looks more kind of landscape. You have a USB-C, you have a status indicator light. I think one of these is a microphone. I'm leaning towards it not being a hard reset. We'll get into the full review and let you know. And you have a power button. We'll do a quick startup just to show you guys what it all looks like when you start it up. It's incredibly thin near the part that doesn't really matter because it's just the EPD, the electronic panel, and it's not so thick by the actual components itself. Overall, it's extremely lightweight. You can hold it just featherweight with 2 fingers. It feels good in your hands, and of course that bump is not only functional with the batteries and the PCB being in there, but it's also ergonomic in that you hold it like this. You can choose your region here. You can choose China, Canada, etc. We are just gonna buzz past all this and show you guys the home screen because it requires some setup. Like I said, this is all in English, all the way down to the top bar, the settings menu, everything, so you don't have to worry about language barriers or anything like that. iReader is very much starting to become a part of the e-reader community. They've been in the e-reader community for a very long time in mainland China, but only has recently joined the international crowd with English on all of their devices and a backlog of devices like the ones they don't even make anymore that are still in kind of the ether floating around. You get everything here: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, reading, tools, general. You can go over to their store if you'd like. You can go to your bookshelf and you can scan for all of your actual file managers so you can look through your images and your music, and it's got little apps kind of in a way. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2023 iReader Ocean 3, 300 ppi, 32 gigs on board, and continuing that kind of offset asymmetrical design of the Oasis with the physical buttons. Stay tuned for the full review.